Is your Windows 11 PC running slow or feeling laggy? Here is one tweak that actually helps. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. If you don't have a window key, just right-click the Start menu and hit Run. In the Run box, type services.msc. Then press Enter and launch Windows Services. Now scroll down the list until you find SysMain. It might be listed as Superfetch on older systems. Double-click on SysMain to open its settings. The service tries to speed things up, but it often does the opposite. Click Stop to disable it right now. This frees up memory and CPU usage instantly. Then under Startup type, change it from automatic to manual or disable so it won't run every time you boot. Click OK and that's it. Your PC should already feel faster, especially if it's an older device. If this helped, drop a like and follow for more quick tech fixes like this.